Here's some Costa Rica abolishes army trivia. Subscribe. What institution replaced the military in Costa Rica? Is it A, National Guard, B, Public Security Ministry, C, Armed Forces, or D, Ministry of Defense? The correct answer is B, Public Security Ministry. What is Costa Rica's defense policy called? Is it A, peaceful engagement, B, militarized neutrality, C, positive neutrality, or D, cooperative defense? The correct answer is C, positive neutrality. Which conflict influenced army abolition in Costa Rica? Is it A, Nicaraguan Revolution, B, Costa Rican Civil War, C, Spanish-American War, or D, Panama independence? The correct answer is B, Costa Rican Civil War. Which Costa Rican constitution first mandated army abolition? Is it A, 1821 Constitution, B, 1949 Constitution, C, 1871 Constitution, or D, 1955 Constitution? The correct answer is B, 1949 Constitution. What percentage of Costa Rica's budget goes to education? Is it A, 15%, B, 20%, 10%, or D, 25%? The correct answer is B, 20%. What did Costa Rica prioritize after abolishing military forces? Is it A, military advancements, B, social welfare, C, foreign aid, or D, space exploration? The correct answer is B, social welfare. Which role do volunteer Coast Guards serve in Costa Rica? Is it A, fishing regulations, B, tourism promotion, maritime security, or D, environmental education? The correct answer is C, maritime security. What ecosystem initiatives does Costa Rica emphasize? Is it A, renewable energy, B, environmental conservation, C, agricultural expansion, or D, urban development? The correct answer is B, environmental conservation. What country's army is sometimes compared to Costa Rica's situation? Is it A, Nicaragua, B, Honduras, C, Colombia, or D, Panama? The correct answer is D, Panama. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.